Hey guys, welcome back to Nocturne's Masks Art. If you're new here, hi. I'm really happy you found my channel. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment while you watch. Your support, honestly, gives me the motivation to keep making these crazy masks and trying new ideas. All right, let's jump into today's build. To be honest, I'm not a gamer, but when a follower challenged me to bring a Dota 2 hero to life, I couldn't say no. I saw Bristleback and thought, that texture is a nightmare. I have to try it. So, here I am, diving headfirst into a world I barely know, armed with nothing but paper and glue. I've worked with papier mache for a long time, but gaming characters are on a whole different level of crazy. The anatomy, the scars, the sheer attitude of this guy. It was a struggle. There were moments in the middle of the night where I looked at this pile of wet paper and asked myself, what did that gamer get me into? Even though I don't play the game, I've spent hours looking at references to make sure I don't let the fans down. I wanted to capture that rigmarole spirit, the roughness, the battle-worn skin. It's like the more I built him, the more I understood why people love this character. He's not just a mask. He's a legend with a lot of stories. After days of layering, sculpting, and painting, here he is, my first real dive into the gaming world. I have to admit, I'm hooked. There's something so satisfying about turning digital pixels into something I can actually hold in my hands. He looks ready for a fight. This was a huge challenge, but I'm ready for the next one. This time, I'm leaving it entirely up to you. Which hero, or any character from any universe, should I forge next? It doesn't have to be Dota. It just has to be legendary. Drop your requests in the comments. Subscribe to follow the madness. And let's see what we can create together.